Hello there and welcome to your next car's YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation. This gorgeous 320 diesel M Sport Saloon we have in. Presented in mineral grey. It's a 2017 facelift model. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as giving you an accurate description of the car, its service history and everything we know about it. M Sport Saloon, 8-speed automatic gearbox, LED headlights. We've just fitted the absolutely gorgeous gloss black styling kit. Twin stack grills, expertly fitted 3-piece front splitter. 20-inch 2021 M4 style wheels. Bi-colour, gloss black inserts and polished face. Absolutely gorgeous. Staggered fitment, we've not fitted many of these. Upgraded mirror caps. High gloss sidebars with the M Sport decals. Gloss black rear spoiler, it's the V style one, as you can see there. LED tail lights, gloss black diffuser, lots of boot room, original set of mats, and the original mirror caps are in there for you as well. Really very well presented car. Been through our approved checklist. Full BMW service history up until today, and it will have a fresh oil service as it's due in 3,000 miles, so it'll have a fresh oil change and it will be updated on the iDrive today. Black Dakota leather, Isofix rear bench with rear centre armrest, all in very tidy condition. You see the driver's seat, electric folding mirrors, gloss black follows through on the door there and through the dash. Leather steering wheel, automatic paddle shift, cruise control, auto lights, rain sensors and park sensors to the rear. Business sat nav, dual zone climate control. 56,000 miles currently. As I mentioned, service history is BMW. Next service is due in 3,300 miles, but that will soon be reset as we're going to carry out a fresh oil change on it. All BMW, and then it'll have the new entry from us today. All in all, very tidy. HP and PCP available. Part exchange is very welcome. Thank you very much for watching. If I've forgotten anything, please get in contact. Thank you.